Okay, let's get started. First we remove this cap. So let's clean this cap. For this I use glass wipes. You can use for this cap any kind of cleaning materials, but I decided to use these. So second, I needed to change the battery because the battery is low and it's not working anymore. So let's get into it and change it. So we loosen these two screws, and now why we needed to separate it, because the battery housing is below. Now let's open up the battery housing. You can use a coin. Okay, so let's insert the batteries. I just try to roll it a little bit backwards so I can find. Okay, should be fine. Why I'm doing this? This is not my red dot side. This is my dad's, and he asked me to change the batteries because he didn't even know or knew what kind of batteries are going inside, and also he is not a very technical guy, so for these small electronics I mean. So this should be okay for the mount, so we can mount it back. I just check it. Now we can screw it back. Good. Let's reassemble this cap. Good. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye bye.